Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a bar graph in Microsoft Excel. So how to make a bar graph in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Here I will create a bar graph from the mobile phone data. First, go to the Insert menu and select the Bar Graph menu, and select the two-dimensional bar graph. Here will come out the bar graph table, and then to enter the number of mobile phone items data. Right-click on the bar graph, and then select Data. The Data Source menu will appear. To add the mobile phone item data, tap Add on the left menu. Delete the Series Value section and the block to add all data to the item table. And here will appear the data block from the item. And next, tap OK. And to add the cell phone name data, right tap on the bar graph, down and select Data. And the Settings menu will appear. And select Edit to add data. To add data, block all cell phone name data. Then, tap OK. Tap Title Chart to change the title. And type Handphone to add a title, name and item data, which will appear on the left side of the bar graph and at the bottom of the graph. Tap the plus sign on the upper right side of the bar graph and select Axis Labels. For the one on the left, please tap and change the item Handphone. And the one below tap and change it to Name Handphone. You can also add color to the axis label. Tap the axis item Handphone. Tap Home and select a color. And in the axis label name Handphone and select a color. So that's it. How to make a bar graph in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.